If you're living in the UK and feel like your money is just sitting in the bank losing value, this video will show you exactly how beginners can start investing safely in 2026. No complicated jargon, no risky hype, just a clear step-by-step guide. Inflation in the UK continues to reduce purchasing power. Keeping money only in a savings account is often not enough. Investing allows your money to grow through compound returns over time. For example, if you invest £200 per month at an average 7% return over 20 years, that could grow to over £100,000. Before you start investing, build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This prevents panic selling during market downturns. In the UK, a stocks and shares ISA allows you to invest tax-free, up to your annual allowance. For most beginners, this is the smartest place to start. For beginners, low-cost index funds, or ETFs, are often the simplest choice. They provide diversification, which reduces risk. Investing is not gambling. It is a long-term strategy. Avoid day trading, meme stocks, and emotional decisions. If you want simple, UK-focused finance advice every week, subscribe to Smart Finance UK. We break down money in practical, beginner-friendly terms.